Today we're retackling the fried catfish in Rhodes. But wait, why does the game model have those weird dark vertical lines? And why are the side dishes identical to Valentine? As lamb as fried while the menu says something else. Let's dive in. Turns out, those lines are called myocepta, natural connective tissues between muscle segments. Only rugged, wild bottom feeders, like the channel catfish, have tough enough fibers to show this texture when fried. Farm raised basa, totally smooth. As for the sides, braised collard greens and boiled beans. Real collard greens used to be a cheap southern staple, but thanks to modern marketing, they cost a fortune now. My wallet is still crying. On the bright side, the slow cooked pinto beans with bacon. Absolute magic. So creamy and savory. Trying to skin that fish myself was an absolute nightmare. Thinking back to how smooth and effortless Arthur's skinning animations are in the game, man, he makes it look so badass. I used to seriously hate Rockstar for those long, unskippable cutscenes. But now, total respect to real world butchers and chefs. Now, let's recreate this fried catfish that Arthur ate in 1899 together.
That's it. This will do for me nicely.